So it's been a while since we've been to a garage sale. When we look for sales on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist on Friday night and Saturday mornings, we'll see one that's 20 minutes this way and another one that's 30 minutes this way. And to be honest with you guys, we've had much better luck just sticking to our local flea market on Saturday mornings instead of trying to find garage sales. But this past weekend on the way home from the flea market, we passed one garage sale, stopped there, and it turned out to be what I think is going to be the most profitable garage sale trip ever. Some boots. Hello, how are y'all? Determination.
I'm up to those. Brand new shoes.
Yeah, that's good. Oh yeah. This is good. Xbox and another Xbox. Oops. I didn't break it. Oh, Haley, this is cute. This thing looks like a wall shelf.
Oh, that is cute.
I think it's missing some of the drawers, though.
Or it could be. Well, yeah, I guess.
Looks like it is, at least. Yeah. Where would we put it? It's just cute.
Is that all that you're buying today? Okay. So, 2, 3, 4.
These look. These look pretty good. We're gonna make a pile right here in the middle of everything.
Sure, that's fine. Y'all want like a box or something?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
We've got a bunch of bags. I don't know why we didn't bring our bags. Do you guys have any other video game stuff other than the controllers?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just had to ask.
Yeah.
Some people, I don't know, like video games where we usually buy, and they're like, oh yeah, we got some in the attic. I didn't think to put them out or something, you know?
Right, right.
Oh, really? And I ended up over here. You ended up over here?
It's a nice jacket.
It is. I passed the road, right? And then I saw it on the sign. And so I just I just followed.
Some roof racks here. Sure, Thule. Do you know what, are these roof racks like for a specific car, or?
So, babe, we had these on our Subaru. Yeah, so we had these on our Subaru Tribeca.
Okay.
I mean, I guess I don't know that it has a model number.
Yeah.
It like this pin pulls and then it lifts and does all the.
Okay.
So it's kind of a universal fit
Yeah.
clamp.
Clamp.
Okay.
Because our Tribeca for our tool, it didn't have like the crossbars instead of getting the Subaru ones we just.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, that's a good brand for sure.
Yeah.
She's the boss.
All right.
Is this motorcycle seat new in the box?
The motorcycle seat that's on there in the box is a stock seat.
Okay.
It's off of a 04 Yamaha V-Star 1100.
Okay.
Same thing with the exhaust, and that's the
Okay. I don't know anything about motorcycle stuff, but so I guess you upgraded everything.
I did, and then I sold it. And
Of course, that's always how it goes.
Yeah.
So, I mean, what do you think? What do you think this is worth? Or like, what are you wanting to get out of it?
I give you the whole length of the motorcycle stuff for $10.
How much?
For $10.
10 bucks?
If it leaves this garage, I'm a happy camper. That means
Yeah. So
again.
That's right. Yeah.
a year old.
I mean, I'll take it. I don't know a lot about motorcycle stuff, but for 10 bucks, I'll get it out of your hair.
Awesome.
Some motorcycle windshield, stock exhaust. What is this? Is this all exhaust? All the metal stuff?
Yep. So these two pipes go into the headers,
Yeah.
and then those connect on the back side of these.
Okay.
And
Cool.
then the stock seat. They got replaced for the Mustang seat.
You don't have to open, man. $10. I'll trust you.
Alright.
I'm gonna put my jacket on top of it too. Find anything else?
How much for that?
Okay. All right. So who I think we got her. Okay.
She's getting this one out.
She's the boss lady. All right. So we got all this stuff in the pile here, and then he said $10 for all the motorcycle stuff, and then that jacket.
Okay.
So what do you think?
So I said 10 on the jacket, 10 on 20. 35 for.
I'll give you 40. How about that?
Okay.
There you go.
Thanks.
We appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks for
Helping you guys
stopping by.
clear out some stuff. Let's see. We'll probably make 2
You need
trips.
here,
I'll go
you
get.
wanna buy? How are you?
Oh, he's getting toys out of the car. You didn't know what
Perfect. Thank you so much. We appreciate that. We'll just come back. We're gonna make 2 trips anyway.
We'll come back for the rest. Okay.
Yeah. It's over there. You can shut the back. I'll put everything right here. Oh, thanks, man. You didn't have to do that. Top. Here.
Okay.
Oh.
Thank
Okay.
you so much.
We appreciate the deal, man. You too. As you guys just saw, we paid $40 for everything we just picked up at that garage sale. I'm going to go over the items now to show you what our potential profit should be. First thing I'm going to show you is this Reynolds HandyVac vacuum sealer. This is brand new in the box. Sold comps are around $20 to $25 free shipping, so it's not going to be a huge money maker, but anytime you see this stuff sealed, if it's at a thrift store or garage sale for a couple bucks, I'd definitely go ahead and pick it up. It should sell pretty quickly. Next up are going to be these Xbox 360 Guitar Hero controllers. This one is the white Explorer model that's wired, plugs directly into the Xbox. You don't need any sort of dongles or anything like that. Even in the current condition with the stickers and stuff all over it, if we pair a couple Rock Band or Guitar Hero games with this and list it on eBay, we should be able to get about $140 to $150 shipped for this exact guitar, which is crazy. The other guitar is also for Xbox 360. Again, it has that Xbox logo right there on the button. This is obviously the Aerosmith model. There is an Xbox 360 Guitar Hero game that is the Aerosmith one. So if you have that game and you can bundle it with this guitar, I think you could probably get about 80 to 90 bucks plus shipping with this. I think there is a sold comp on eBay for just the guitar for like 90 bucks plus shipping. So this is definitely one of the more valuable ones. Again, any of the ones that have Xbox 360 on there, whether it's the all black model or this one or the Sunburst, any of them, they are all worth really, really good money. So always be on the lookout for this one. I will say this one, since it's wireless, it does have a battery pack. So you always want to open it up, make sure there's no corrosion on the inside. If people leave batteries in there for too long, it can corrode and make the guitar not work. So this one seems to be in pretty good shape. We'll get it tested out, listed on eBay for probably, I don't know, again, throw a couple the Guitar Hero games with it and list it for maybe like 99 bucks plus shipping. Turn on best offer, see what happens. Next up are these Columbia Omni Heat waterproof 200 gram men's winter boots. These are men's size 9.5 in excellent condition. They just need new laces. We'll get them relaced in the garage. Sold comps on these on eBay look to be about $40 to $50 or so, but you also have to remember that the sold comps on eBay only go back 90 days, and in the last 90 days was summer, so not a lot of people were buying these boots in the summer. So hopefully going into winter, maybe we'll be able to list them for $60 or $75 plus shipping, but we'll see. Either way, they're in great shape and well worth the purchase today. I had to stand up for this next one. This is the Eddie Bauer jacket that we found. It's a men's size large. I would maybe call it a parka instead of a jacket. It's a little bit longer than a jacket. Also, it is filled with goose down or duck down, some sort of down, which makes it even more valuable than I thought. I think given the current condition and given that we're finally getting into some cooler months, fall and winter, I think we can probably get about $75 to $100 for this jacket plus shipping. The sold comps on eBay are kind of all over the place. Some are selling for $40, some are selling for $100, but again, we're coming out of summer, so the eBay sold comps on winter attire aren't 100% accurate. They'll give you a pretty good idea, but generally this stuff is going to sell for a little bit more money when people actually need it in the fall and winter. So again, I think this was a really solid pickup. Now we can get into the fun stuff, which is that lot of motorcycle stuff we picked up for $10. I'm telling you guys, I know absolutely nothing about motorcycle parts other than they probably have some decent value. So when he said 10 bucks for everything, there's no way I'm leaving that stuff behind. There's no way I'm going to lose money paying $10 for a bunch of OEM Yamaha motorcycle parts. I didn't know if it was Yamaha or Honda. I had to go back and watch the video to see what he said. But looking at sold comps, I'll put some stuff on the screen. We got it's a 2004 Yamaha V-Star 1100. That's what he said all this stuff came off of. So I'm looking at sold comps on eBay for the OEM windshield, which is what we have. There's one sold for a 2008 Yamaha V-Star for $115.85 plus shipping, and one sold for a 2002 Yamaha for $89.85 plus shipping. I can't find a sold comp for my exact model, the 2004, but I'm assuming it would probably sell for about that same price range. So let's say we're going to get about $100 plus shipping for that windshield. That's just one part of the Mini we have. Moving on to the next part, I found a sold comp for a 2004 Yamaha V-Star 1100, the exact same bike. The exhaust pipes, just the smaller ones, not the big longer ones. I don't know the difference, but just the smaller ones sold for $100 free shipping. You could probably ship something like those with UPS ground for maybe $20 to $30 or so pretty good money there. But I also saw a sold comp for a 2004 complete set. Both of the pipes, all 4 pipes that we have, the whole set for the same motorcycle, Yamaha V-Star 1100, sold for $232.45 plus $121 in shipping. So that was crazy. I don't know how fast this stuff is going to sell. Again, I know nothing about motorcycle parts, but for $10, we got some serious winners here, folks. And then I think the last thing is the OEM seat. I opened the box. I'll insert some footage here of what we actually have. We have the main seat and the passenger seat in the back. Looking on eBay, there is a set Yamaha V-Star 1100. It looks like they fit in 1999 to 2009, so that would fit our model. And they sold for $199.99 free shipping, and they are in pre-owned condition. There are also some other sold comps I found on eBay just for the passenger seat, the one in the back, and that one alone was selling for like $80 plus shipping. So I don't know if I'm going to keep them together or part them out and sell them individually, but either way, I think we'll make close to $200 or so just on the seats. So all in all, from all the motorcycle stuff we picked up, the Guitar Hero controllers, the boots, the jacket, the vacuum thing, everything we got today, I think we can pretty reasonably turn this $40 investment into a profit of between $600 and $700. And the only other garage sale trip that I think even comes close is when we found all that Nintendo 64 stuff in that box for $20. I ended up selling everything to one person for $600 plus shipping. So this one, once everything sells, it's not as fun to find stuff like this. The video game lot we found was super fun. But I think this is going to give that haul a run for its money in terms of how much profit we're going to find. So again, we have not been to a ton of garage sales recently. When we search for garage sales on Facebook or Craigslist, they're just in every other direction, and it would just take like 4 hours to go to all of them. So I am extremely happy that we decided to stop at this one garage sale on the way back from the flea market last Saturday and find, you know, between $600 and $700 worth of profit, just sitting there ready for the taking. Another thing I loved is that the garage sale started at 8, and we didn't get there till like 8:45 or so. So all this stuff was just sitting there for 45 minutes while all these people were perusing, you know, all the other stuff they had. They just don't see the value in the stuff. So I don't know, man. I'm just happy. It was a really, really solid day for garage sales for sure. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We definitely appreciate your time. If you could take a couple seconds and hit that like button for us down below, we greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below as well. Thank you guys again for watching. You're the best, and we'll catch you on the next one.